Hi, I'm Alaina. This is Alaina Unleashed. Now, I have to start this with a rant. This is my second episode of Alaina Unleashed. I saw that I had been spending hours of screen time, 8 average a day, which was horrifying. And then I realized I've been self-educating, courtesy of YouTube, about Pop Mart unboxing, hauls, buying lost, unclaimed packages. And I got caught up September 1st on a big release day for Hobonichi. Is that how you say it? So, I don't know. I got sucked in. So, this is going to be my unboxing of my haul. And it's from jetpens.com because they were the ones that provided all the Hobonichi that was still available by, September 2nd. So, first a rant. Why do these people always call us y'all? I'm not a y'all. I'm Alaina. Also, you see them with their nails of various lengths and just tapping boxes. Tapping boxes. Okay, I get it. I know all about ASMR because all of my little Lego pieces create that nice ASMR sound. So it's more than that. So I thought I could do my unboxing or unripping, I guess, live and see it with you, y'all. And then we'll see where we are. Okay. I'm going to start with something that's... Don't you hate it when people do that? I mean, I can read. I know what I'm supposed to do, but we're going to do it live if I can get this open. And I can't, so I'm going to use 2 hands. It takes 2 hands to handle a Whopper. Okay, how am I doing? Okay, not great. I know what. Yeah, this little box cutter, I bought it on Temu ages ago, right before I ranted about sending money to China. Okay, it's open. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So we're going to see what we have. Oh, and just like every other unboxing I've seen, to start the salivary glands, the sublingual and the submaxillary glands, they show you, it comes in a little book. And there's also, let's see here. Oh, a packing list, but it uses this really cute cartoon, which I'll have to see at some point. Let's get to it, shall we? It says, this is my life. And yeah, I succumbed to a Hobonichi, English edition, Techo, which I always thought was techno until I looked close. 2026. Now, there are lots of videos about how to use your Hobonichi. And is it the cousins? Is it the original? Is it the weekly? See, I've learned a little bit of the vocabulary. And of course, the irony is, at the age of 78, how much exactly do I have to put into my Hobonichi Techo 2026 English edition, which I just ripped. All righty. And here we go. This is what it looks like. I'm good at building suspense. I'm a performer. All right. And in every Hobonichi unboxing, I have seen them with the little, I guess, accompaniment. I guess the theme is "You Love You?" ? So I'm a Hobonichi virgin. Well, I was before I opened this box. And I've heard people refer to this little dot game. I don't have enough time. I'm too busy watching people unbox things. Wow. Book of the month. Surprise of the month. Haul of the month. Mystery box. It's all Uncharted. So here we go. This is the original with no cover. They want you to buy their cover. I'm going to make my own cover out of beautiful calendar pages. So here we go. I'm going to flip through it because we have one more box to go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, and here's what I have learned. It's fabulous paper, and it will take any pen, pencil, felt tip, brush beautifully. And there's a lot of room for self-expression. So everywhere I look, there's a journal or something to write with or on. I mean, if I showed you what I'm looking at, paper everywhere. So I'm going to challenge myself to see if I can just keep one journal. Okay, let's go to package number 2. And for all you Francophiles, that's 2 in French. All right, same company. I'm going to skip right to the Slicer Dicer from Temu. And of course, you want to be careful if it's paper goods. You don't want to slice and dice anything inside. Let's see what I ordered. At this point, they usually say, I don't remember because I ordered it so long ago. In this case, it was days ago, and they've really come through. Jetpens.com. I really like them. Alrighty. So here's what I've got. Techo Weeks. Holy cow. Weeks. And also my favorite Lamy cartridges for my favorite Lamy pens, which they have, by the way, much less than the big A. Now, here's the deal. I actually ordered the Weeks first because I thought minimally. I didn't want to spend a lot of money. And I thought my life at 78 is, well, it's darn exciting, but it's not as busy with appointments as it used to be. My friends will tell you most of their appointments are medical. I am not part of that group. Most of my appointments are with myself for playtime because as an adult, I never learned to play. As a kid, I never learned to play. Wubba dubba dubba. Can you see that? All right. Well, I love me my animals. Reveal. Oh, we already know what that is. So now I have 2 of them. Yay, 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 yay. All righty, kids. Yep. You can keep your place. Oh, there's more stuff that's falling out. I think it's a sticker. And I know what that is. Do you know what that is? You do if you've watched any Hobonichi unboxings. I'm not going to tell you what that is. Put it in the comments below. I don't even know if I have the comments below. You guys have been so patient. My first unboxing. Thanks for hanging in with me. I'm Alaina Unleashed.